Hello. The other guy, which some people call Benjamin, is not here today. So I'll be playing the piano and making sure things will be nice. For once. Finally. What? Oh. Yes, we are live. I think so. How do I search for anything here? Oh. Huh. I am Benjamin. You're very quiet. I can't hear anything. Oh, I can hear it here. Hello. Please make some noise in the comments. I'm very shy. Benjamin is doing a poo-poo. Hey Judith. I miss Wizinho. Thank you very much, Judith. I'll play you some tunes now. This is called As Pombinhas da Catrina. Now with voice. As pombinhas da Catrina. As pombinhas da Catrina andaram de mão em mão, mão. As pombinhas da Catrina andaram de mão em mão. Foram ter a Quinta Nova ao Pombal de São João. Foram ter a Quinta Nova ao Pombal de São João. There's more. Who's Lisbeth?
Lisbeth from the church.
Oh, hey Lisbeth. Oh, that's very
Leuk
nice.
dat jullie bent.
Ja. Ja, toch? And there's more.
Oh, okay.
A Pombal de São João, a Quinta Joséinha, a Pombal de São João, a Quinta And now we have a special guest tonight. He's called João Ginho. I call him Ginho. I mean, it's just a nickname I invented. He's a very fine boy, this João Ginho. João Ginho. It's a fine word, João Ginho. Sorry, I've been watching too much Miranda. Plunge. It's a fine word, plunge, right? Yeah, right? Plunge. It's a very fun word.
I
There's
think we
another
should
one.
do the concerts more often. I'm just gonna go home.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think so.
Let's,
People are obviously liking it.
people are enjoying it. Stick around. We will do
I mean,
some music in a
We
little
started with 5 people. We already have 8 people watching. So
Everybody who's watching now, stop what you're doing. In the comments, not the live chat, write something, anything in the comments, even if it's just Pokemon. Actually, that would probably be really good for the algorithm, because me and Joao did some research into what the best thing is,
you did.
and well, yeah, okay. So I did some research. My family. I did some research into what the best thing was, and the best thing is not just that you watch it, not just that you like it, but also leaving a comment as well. And on our last
Can you
few,
actually write a comment now?
oh, maybe they can't. Maybe not.
Oh, and
What's up?
I wanted to do the live here.
Yeah, and you have my phone to do the Insta. Should we swap?
Yeah, but I have to do something before.
See you in a minute.
Alecrim, alecrim dourado que nasce nos montes sem ser semeado. Alecrim, alecrim dourado que nasce nos montes sem ser semeado. Oh meu amor, quem te disse a ti que a flor do monte era o alecrim? Oh meu amor, quem te disse a ti que a flor do monte era o alecrim? This was on purpose.
This was the weirdest polyphony I've ever heard.
If you want more, subscribe to my channel.
Thank you.
I'll make a playlist only with Portuguese folk songs. And now for my favorite interval. Some people call it the incarnation on the devil. This one's called Simpsons. Okay. Bye bye. Now I call my special guest tonight. One of my guests for this evening's concert. He's a very fine boy. As Roger would say, he's a good lad. It's called Joao Silva. He comes from a country from the south.
Oh my lord.
Where the grass is green and the girls are pretty, but you can't buy them like in the Netherlands. Sorry, I'm just doing like 3 things at the same time. I'm very...
Okay.
Oh. So, I invite to the stage Joel. Woo! Let me hear it in the comments.
Thank you, Joao.
I don't think so.
I guess it probably could get weirder, but I don't think we should try. Anyway, lovely to see all of you guys. Hi, Judith. Hi, Lisbeth. How are you? How are you doing? It's been a while. How's the painting coming on? Yeah. So I had to go to the bathroom, and so I was like, "Oh, Joao, cover for me for a minute."
I told them you were doing your
Oh. So yeah, okay. So Joao has told y'all what I was busy doing. So anyway, we're gonna start with a beautiful,
Oh, beautiful.
beautiful. Ah, a euro in the
Drink.
beautiful jar.
Drink to that. Oh,
So
do we have Marlon watching?
oh,
Because
Marlon, probably not
He's
yet.
the guy who keeps track of the modulations and
Oh,
the...
that's true. We need him to
So I'll be on the comments writing +1
on the comments.
on exact no
Like
yeah,
on top of the comments. Yeah, very good.
Exactly. That's what dude, stop messing with my. I had a whole speech prepared for this. I'll be on top of the comments, writing +1 every time there's a modulation, and that means you have to drink. Oh, Lynn's not with us today, right?
No, we don't have our beloved Lynn. So everyone has to have a Lynn and tonic in honor of the Queen.
Fill up your glasses because this will be a concert full of modulations. The one who's drunkest in the end wins a prize. You can donate. I'm finally starting the Facebook and Instagram live.
En las montañas de Astoria, una asturiana vi. De 14 a 15 años, regando su jardín. Pasó un caballero, le pidió una flor y la bella asturiana le dice que no. Queda con Dios, asturiana, me la tienes que pagar por la cuestión de un flor, te tengo que matar. Pasó un caballero, le pidió una flor y la bella asturiana le dice que no. Pasó un caballero, le pidió una flor y la bella asturiana le dice que no. Queda con Dios, asturiana, me la tienes que pagar por la cuestión de una flor, te tengo que matar. Pasó un caballero, le pidió una flor y la bella asturiana le dice que no. Una asturiana vi de 14 a 15 años regando su jardín. Pasa un caballero, le pide una flor y la bella asturiana le dice que no. Queda con dos, asturiana, me la tienes que pagar. Por la cuestión de una flor te tengo que matar. Pasa un caballero, le pide una flor y la bella asturiana le dice que Thank you, Jorginho. That was.
This guy plays very well the piano.
Thank you, Joel.
I wouldn't say it was Jorginho.
Yeah.
And I'm Benjamin.
Charles really improved his.
Yeah, I'm Benjamin here behind the screen. I'm doing a very good job. Please,
Hi, Hans. Hi, Hans.
please give me some validation.
We gladly receive validation here in the Friday concerts. So that was.
Now I'm there. Yes.
Huh?
Now I'm there on the thing. I can see Marco peeking there.
Yeah, so that was En las Montañas de Asturias, in the Asturian mountains. Very, very beautiful traditional song that was collected by Rodrigo. Is that his surname or his first name? The composer, famous. Anyway, famous Spanish composer who did.
Rodrigo sounds like first name.
Yeah. Anyway, so very nice thing, and that was a little random flamenco thing that I had in my head, like. That's not flamenco rhythm. Don't quote me on that. Flamenco rhythm's way more complicated. I did a few classes with a flamenco gypsy singer. Oh, and just like singing polyrhythms and clapping. It was like a Jacob Collier masterclass. Right? Yeah, but even more complicated stuff. Very, very cool. But the whole time I did it, she was like, you just sound Arabic. And I was like, I'm sorry, I can't do that with my voice, how you do it. So that was the very sad story of the end of my flamenco lessons.
That was fast.
So we're going to go to a very sad American song, since Alan and Hans are there. And I think I do this one in F. No, joking, E flat.
Oh, another one in E flat.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll write here +1.
Oh, no. No, but that's not a modulation. There was like 4 modulations in the last song, bruv.
Okay.
Get your act together.
So, new rule. All the usual things we have in the concerts, now we have to drink to those. Modulations, songs in E flat.
E flat, A flat, B flat, G flat.
Exactly. And every time Benjamin says beautiful. And every time he does that thing on the piano with the finger. Exactly.
I think you should explain to people what that means.
That means, look at my vibrato on my hand.
That is absolutely not what it
That's
means.
like violin vibrato. For those who didn't know, Benjamin played the violin when he...
I'm not joking, I was one of the first ones. Yeah.
Well, this turned out better than expected.
By the time I get to Phoenix, here
left hanging on the door. And he'll laugh when he reads the part that says I'm leaving, 'cause I left that man oh so many times before. By the time I make Albuquerque, he'll be working. He'll probably stop at lunch and give me a call, but he'll just hear that phone keep on ringing off the wall. That's all. By the time I make Oklahoma, he'll be sleeping. He'll turn softly and call my name out loud, and he'll cry just to think I'd really leave him. Though time and time again I try to tell him so, he just didn't know. I would really go. See how she flies, golden sails across the sky, close enough to touch, but careful if you try, though she looks as warm as gold. Once the sun did shine, yes, then it felt so fine. The moon a phantom rose through mountains and the pines, then the darkness fell. A harsh mistress, it's so hard to love her well. I fell out of her eyes, I fell out of her heart, I fell down on my face, tripped and missed my star. God, I
fell alone. The moon's a harsh mistress, and the sky is made of stone. A harsh mistress, she's so hard to call. Your wide, I can't cross so, and neither have I wings to fly. Give me a boat that can carry two, and both shall row, my love and I. Oh, love is gentle, and love is kind. The sweetest flower when it first blooms, but love grows old and waxes cold and fades away like morning dew. There is a ship, it sails the sea. She's loaded deep, as deep can be, but not as deep as the love I made. I know not if I sink or swim. The water is wide,
I can't get over, and neither have I wings to fly. Bring me a boat that can carry two. And both shall row. My love and I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright with you here by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just right. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time of my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and tears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you.
aquellos ojos tristes, soñadores que yo amé. Lo dejé por conquistar una ilusión y perdí su rastro, y ahora sé que sé todo lo que yo buscaba, y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo por sed, y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta, y estoy muy solo aquí, no sé dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Fueron tantos los momentos que me amó, que siento sus caricias y su olor está en mi piel. Cada noche me abrazaba junto a él, me cubría de besos y entre mil caricias me llevaba a la locura, y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo de sed, y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas y el sol no me calienta, y estoy muy solo aquí, no sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo lo siempre adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo por él, y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta, y estoy muy solo aquí, no sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted.
céu, tantas estrelas dizendo da imensidão do universo em nós. A força desse amor nos invadiu, como ela veio a paz, toda a beleza de sentir que para sempre uma estrela vai dizer simplesmente amo você. Meu amor, vou lhe dizer, quero você com a alegria de um pássaro em busca de outro verão. Na noite do sertão, meu coração só que bate por ti. Eu me coloco em tuas mãos para sentir todo o carinho que sonhei. Nós somos rei e rei. Na noite do sertão, meu coração só que bate por ti. Eu me coloco em tuas mãos para sentir todo o carinho que sonhei. Nós somos rei e olho para o céu, tantas estrelas dizendo da imensidão do universo em nós. A força desse amor nos invadiu. Então veio a certeza de amar você. You start? You remember it? I think so. Shall I start? You do second verse. Oh, you're a good start. Okay. See the pyramids along the Nile. See the sun's rise from a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while you belong to me. See the marketplace in old Algiers. Send me photographs and souvenirs. Just remember, when a dream appears, you belong to me. I'll be so alone without you. Maybe you'll be lonesome too. Fly the ocean in a silver plane. See the jungle when it's wet with rain. Just remember till you're home again, you belong to me. I'll be so alone without you. Maybe you'll be lonesome too. Lonesome too. Fly the ocean in a silver plane. See the jungle when it's wet with rain. Just remember till you're home again, you belong with me. You belong with me. You belong to Happy birthday. Oh no. These ones always trigger me.
It's B flat over C. Just, you know, I Pavlov dogged you enough so that now that chord
Every
is happy
time.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Se dia alguém pergunta por mim, diz que vivi para te amar. Antes de ti só existi, cansado e sem nada para dar. Meu bem, ouve as minhas pressas, peço que regressas, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender.
Peço que regresses, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Se o teu coração não quiser ser, não sentir paixão, não quiser sofrer, sem fazer planos, toca virá depois. O meu coração pode amar pelos dois. Se um dia alguém perguntar por mim, diz que vivi pra te amar. Antes de ti só existi, cansado e sem nada pra dar. Peço que regresses, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. discouraged, though I realize it's hard to have courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness there inside you makes you feel so small. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow. makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear. You can call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let it show. True colors, beautiful, like a this what makes you crazy and you're taking all you can bear. Call me up because you know I'll be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show. Your true colors, true colors, true colors, true colors, true colors, true colors are beautiful. Like a rainbow.
else.
Whew! Oh my god. Oh no, Maita.
And she
Hi,
suggested Imagine.
Oh, imagine. Oh, there's a lot of comments I haven't
And your
read.
mom suggested something as well.
Mom. Oh, A von Kist. Oh yeah. Oh, love the bunny sheep. Ja. Dag Adi, leuk dat je er bent. Oh no, I just will text Maita and see if she's still there.
Oh man,
That
this
was
is
a very nice little medley of everything. Oh, Lynn, awesome that you can join us. Aw, that's really great. There was another song.
Those suggestions are for Wiz's replacement. Because she asked if the pig was
With Zinho.
Yeah. Then I said that's actually
I sang a
very
lot
good
of
idea.
top E's just then. And it didn't sound awful. I didn't write that on the composer's thing.
Good for you. I didn't write that down as well.
Well, it would be a shame if Mike's already gone to bed. But let's do, one more very beautiful song. That's
Oh
just
my
in case
God.
if Yod's watching. This or PDF?
I'll mess up anyway, probably. So.
Positive thinking. I like it.
I know.
Okay, so this was a request from my dad, and I think he'll be surprised that I did this. It's too warm with this on. It looks lovely, and I look charming and handsome in it, of course.
Oh,
But-
whoa. Rude.
But it's pretty toasty here.
Yeah.
It's
I'm.
I'm gonna say that's
I'll
what
be
happens
on
when
my-
you sing top E's.
You get very warm.
I mean, I'm warmed up now. I can't lie. Joao loves me writing top E's from, which I very often do, and then he bitches about it nonstop.
I do. If a composer ever writes for you, tell them like your top note. Tell them like 3 tones lower. Then you'll be kind of safe-ish.
Thing is, I would respect it if it was anybody but you, because I
Thank you very much.
because
It's good to know that our friendship means so much, you know.
in the concerts you sing a lot of high notes, so I know you have
But I
them.
go there once
Yeah.
or twice. It's not like singing 3 minutes in those. And then he writes a piece for me with just 3 notes. C, D, E. That's it.
The piece was like a minute.
That's a lie. Okay. Water under the bridge, as they say in English. What I call water under the bridge.
What?
Wa
What?
wa big. That's how they speak in the UK.
Dance me to your beauty like a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch and be my turtle dove, and dance me to the end of love, and dance me to the end of love. Let me see your beauty when the witnesses are gone. Let me feel you moving like they do in Babylon. Show me slowly what I only know the limits of, and dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the wedding now, and dance me on and on. Dance me very tenderly, and dance me very long. We're both of us beneath our love, both of us above. And dance me to the end of love, and dance me to the end of love. Dance me to the children who are asking to be born. Dance me through the curtains that our kisses have outworn. Raise a tent of shelter now, though every thread is worn. And dance me to the end of love. Dance me to your beauty like a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Life me like an olive tree branch and be my turtle dove. And dance me to the end of love, and dance me to the end of love. La 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 la. Dance me through the children who are asking to be born. Dance me through the curtains that our kisses have outworn. Raise a tent of shelter now, though every thread is torn. And dance me to the end of love. Dance me to your beauty like a burning violin. Dance me through the panic till I'm gathered safely in. Lift me like an olive branch and be my turtle dove. And dance me to the
life me like an olive branch.
Yeah, I may have written a mistake.
Benjamin's mistake, not mine. For once.
Hey. Olá,
Gostei
António.
muito das músicas que mais gosto. Pai, mocidade é com O. No, but it's like my parents' favorite singer, Leonard Cohen.
Ah.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Leonard Cohen was the other, right? What's that? No, I can only think about the Adele
Shuma,
one.
shuma, shuma. Ah.
No, that's no, because Adele did that one. Ta-da-da-da from the other side.
Ah.
And that's the other one.
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for? That's the one.
me
Yeah,
you're looking
that's
for. I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. And you're all I ever wanted. 'Cause I know there's something
Yeah, Lionel Richie. Yeah, that's it.
Lionel Richie.
Lionel. Lionel. Lionel Richie. No, sorry.
I don't know it. Yeah, no, I mean,
No.
what else did your dad like? Wait,
just
we had
remembered that one.
we had another Portuguese one.
Yeah, the.
The we should do the schnibbly bobbly doodle.
Pai, qual é que preferes? Zeca Afonso ou Rui Veloso?
Os
Onde?
dois.
Ou os dois? Man, I really liked that one. Oh, that's so nice.
And we need to do some bossa nova as well.
No.
I don't.
No!
What is it?
No, I'm trying
What
to...
are you playing with? That's samba, bruv.
Yeah, I know. It's just... It's all Brazil, I mean.
No, we learned a thing. I don't like mama, I like potatoes. I don't like mother, I like potatoes. I don't like carrots. That's it. This is bossa nova, right? I don't. So that's it. I don't like carrots. I like potatoes. I don't like carrot. Anyway,
No, there's this... So you want to learn how to sing some...
so you want to sing a fugue? You've got the nerve to sing a fugue. You've got the nerve to sing a so you.
You know the King Singers with the toccata
Do you know
in
that?
D? No.
You don't know it? Oh, it's so good. It's his fugue about singing. And it's about like it's so good because it teaches people what a fugue is.
Yeah.
In
What the beep was that? Vejam bem que não há só gaivotas em terra quando homem se põe a pensar. Quando homem se põe a pensar. Quem lá vem dorme à noite ao relento na areia. Dorme à noite ao relento no mar. Dorme à noite ao relento no mar. E se houver uma praça de gente madura e uma estátua de febre a arder, anda alguém pela noite de breu à procura pela aranha desbravando os caminhos do mar. E se houver uma praça de gente madura, ninguém vai levantá-la do chão. Ninguém vai levantá-la do chão. Vejam bem que não há só gaivotas em terra. Quando um homem se põe a pensar, quem lá vem dorme à noite ao relento na areia, dorme à noite ao relento do mar, dorme à noite ao relento do mar. Vejam bem que não há só gaivotas em terra. Quando um homem se põe a pensar, quando um homem se põe a pensar, quem lá vem dorme à noite ao relento na areia, dorme à noite ao relento no mar, dorme à noite ao relento no mar. E se houver uma praça de gente madura, e uma estátua de febre a arder, anda alguém pela noite de breu à procura, e não há quem lhe queira valer, e não há quem lhe queira valer. E se houver uma praça de gente madura, e uma estátua de febre a arder, anda alguém pela noite de breu à procura, e não há quem lhe queira valer, e não há quem lhe queira valer. Wait. I'm forgetting the stanzas. No, I can't do that.
What?
The bossa nova?
Yeah, that's what we were doing.
Yeah, but I'm just.
Very subtly.
But I can't remember the stanza now. Yeah, okay.
ouvindo um roxinol na redondeza. No calmo improviso do poeta, acho fogos trêmulos nas tendas. Largo as águas brilham como pratas, e a brisa vai contando velhas lendas de portos e baías de piratas. Havia um pessegueiro na ilha, plantado por um vício de Odmira, que dizem por amor se matou novo aqui no lugar de Porto Covo. A lua já desceu sobre esta paz e reina sobre o todo este luzeiro. À volta toda a vida se compra, enquanto sargo assa do braseiro. Ao longe a cidadela de um navio, agora em brasileiro, assente-se no mar como um desejo. Por trás de mim o bafo do estio devolve-me a lembrança do Alentejo. Havia um pessegueiro na ilha, plantado por um vizinho de Odmira, que dizem por amor se matou no povo aqui no lugar de Porto Covo.
These are some melodical cowbells. Do this. What the heck?
It's a whole set of cowbells, like 3 octaves.
Eu pessegueiro na ilha, plantado por um vizinho de Odmira, que dizem por amor se matou novo aqui no lugar de Porto Covo.
Okay, I'm getting a bit tired of this. Can you guys at home start doing the bossa nova sound so you still hear it while Jorginho and I are singing? Thank you very much. Obrigadinho.
Obrigadinho.
That was very, very, very good though, and very cool.
Yeah.
I definitely that song completely fits bossa nova.
Yeah.
Joao was doubting me. Can we just let the record show? This girl was doubting me last
No.
week, like, eu não acho que isso é muito bom pra
I said I
bossa
didn't know
nova.
Yeah, I mean the text is a bit.
Someday
awfully low. When the water's cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight.
Yes.
What? Oh, yes, you're
Lovely, with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you.
That was an E flat.
And the way you look tonight. I can put more.
with each word. Your tenderness grows, tearing my fear apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Baby, never change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you and the way you look tonight.
From the top, you go.
Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you.
That was
And
also a top E flat.
Sound like Florence and the way you look tonight.
Seamless. No one will notice what we did. Yes, you're lovely with your breath so warm. That's all the words. And the cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight.
Bridge, you know it?
With each word, your tenderness grows, touching my beating heart, and that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Darling, never change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you and the way you look tonight.
só Marta. Olá, Marta. Obrigado.
Olá, Marta.
Hi, Sean. Super leuk dat je er
Eu
bent.
sou o
En
Benjamin.
Lucinda Donne.
Oh, Lucinda Donne.
Lucinda Donne. Maybe she does.
Perché? Perché?
Ah, lads and lasses, what else did we have for this evening? Woo! Oh, yes, girl. Okay, you're joining for this as well. Girl, where do you think you're going?
Can I just have a sip of my
Oh, go
water?
for it. Yeah, I'll have some tea.
Thank you very much.
Oh my gosh, we're nearly at the end. Did we do Bossa Nova for 20 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, that when I really thought that was just like 6 minutes. Oh, okay, then I'm gonna do a sad one, Joao, and then you can join me for 2 happy ones, okay?
Awesome.
And you can look at the lyrics. You know, you saw which song it was, right?
What?
You saw which song it was, right?
Yeah.
Não é o meu culpa
Minha.
minha culpa que estou
A culpa é feminina.
que estou aqui afuera fazendo zumo, zumo,
Sumo?
jugo,
What?
juice,
Sumo.
sumo. Ok, que estou fazendo zumo. Você tem que. Anyway.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so we're gonna do one really sad one that I've already done today, but I just worked it out today, so you guys get to hear that again, and because it's really, really beautiful. That E flat was, sorry, no, it was this one. No, I just got to this D, bruv. Sorry, guys, we're taking a break. No, I got the D, as it were, but the the E flat was just like the. Oh, no, I'm not doing it now. That was, you know, you need the heat of the moment and the, like the adrenaline was pumping, man. Like my hands were on fire. It was a very nice feeling. Oh, okay, well, this was a lot of fun. Yeah, I'll say all that stuff at the end. Stick around for gezelligheid.
Stick around.
And Joao as well. Oh man, going from that into serious stuff now is like a real mind. Everything in my head is bossa nova. I like trying to sing this sad melody and all I hear is.
Bates cucu, bates culhão, bates com eles no chão. Bates cucu, bates culhão, bates com eles no chão. This is
That's a much cooler one than what we got taught.
Yeah, but
I don't like carrots. I like potatoes.
so Portuguese speakers will get this. Bates cucu, bates culhão, bates com eles no chão. Bates cucu, bates culhão, bates com. This is a very nice way to hit the
Yeah.
rhythm. But it says you beat with your ass on the floor. You beat
Bit?
with your ass.
Like-
Yeah. Yes, exactly.
Ah, okay.
You beat your ass. You beat them on the floor.
That's a very good. Yeah, okay.
But it gives the best bossa nova rhythm.
I had to ask
Bates
about the
cucu, bates culhão,
beat
bates
or the
com
butt
eles
of the
no chão.
thing because Joao
The beat or the butt.
always gets confused between E and E. And the other day he told me that he was wearing Snickers on his feet.
I did. You should have seen it. It was very comfortable.
Okay,
The problem
no
was
more.
the peanuts. They got in my feet.
And then I was allergic to them. Oh, I love these concerts so much. I'm not even moving that much. It's just so like squeaky.
Yeah, but can you stop?
No. Can't stop, won't stop.
Whoa. Rude.
No, but let's have the right verb conjugation. Back to Spanish. Okay. No, there we go. No ha podido olvidar mi corazón aquellos ojos tristes, soñadores que yo amé. Lo dejé por conquistar una ilusión y perdí su rastro
ahora sé que sé todo lo que yo buscaba y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo, ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo de sed. Y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. Fueron tantos los momentos que me amó, que siento sus caricias y su olor está en mi piel. Cada noche me abrazaba junto a él, me cubría de besos y entre mil caricias me llevaba a la locura. Y ahora estoy aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo de sed. Y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale y ahora aquí buscándolo de nuevo y ya no está, se fue. Tal vez usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo de sed. Y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No hay brillo en las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé a dónde fue. Por favor, dígale usted. pues usted lo ha visto, dígale que yo siempre lo adoré y que nunca lo olvidé, que mi vida es un desierto y muero yo por él. Y dígale también que solo junto a él puedo respirar. No brillan las estrellas, ya ni el sol me calienta y estoy muy solo aquí. No sé dónde se fue el internet. Por favor, regrésame el red. That was a Spanish joke about, instead of him leaving me, about the internet leaving me. Have you got it there? ¿Por qué no funciona?
A tiny bit.
Ah. Yeah, good luck. We can do another, since we can do another bossa nova version if
Let
you
me
want.
have a bit more
Then
of
it's-
this juice.
Okay, if it's too quick, we can just like.
Wait, this is the secret for such a beautiful moment. Oh my god. I bless you. I bless me. I bless you. No, you're okay.
Not many people know this, but I actually am Lizzo.
You lost your color since you're in the Netherlands.
Are you starting?
Uh,
Are you doing any? Which bit do you want to do?
any? I mean.
Should we just do it together?
Okay.
Okay, and then like you can. Okay, how quick?
Oh, okay, I'll do my best. Sorry, Lizzo, I really like these songs, but you speak too fast for me.
Você fala demasiado rápido pra.
Você fala demasiado rápido pra mim.
Literally how João speaks at home. That's how all Portuguese people speak.
That's like,
Assim falam os
yeah.
portugueses.
like British people looking around if there's no one watching to stop doing their accent. That's me. When I normalmente eu falo assim, mas depois quando ninguém está a ver, eu falo assim. Quando ninguém está a olhar pra mim, eu vou falar assim. Com um sotaque muito estranho.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, don't say to no I'm cute. Hot damn it. Everyone's down to my dog, selfie all on my shoes. I've been. Well, sorry, okay, let's make the lyrics up. I've been in so much shot, got a bit looking like ragu. Oh, baby, lit up like a crystal ball. That's cold, baby, so is you. That's how I roll. If I'm shining, everybody gotta shine. I was born like this, don't even gotta try. I'm like Chardonnay, get better over time. Heard you say I'm not the baddest bitch you like. It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on my juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making use and the pudding and the proof. Gotta blame it on the juice. Yada 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 yada. Blame it on my juice. Gotta blame it on my juice. Yeah 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 yeah. Blame it on my juice, baby. Blame it on my juice, baby. Nah, I'm not a snack at all. Yeah, bitch, I'm the whole big meal. Baby, you ain't being slick. Don't dare try to cop feel. That juice ain't worth a squeeze if juice don't look like this.
Like this, like this.
Up, girl, please don't make her take your bitch. Half a shine, everybody gotta shine. I was born like this, don't even gotta try. I'm like Chardonnay, get better over time. Heard you say I'm not the baddest bitch you like. It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the juice. Gotta blame it on the juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Gotta put it in the proof. Gotta blame it on the juice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice.
Somebody come get this man. I think he got lost in my DMs. What? Got DMs. What? You better come get your man. I think you want to be way more than friends. What? Way more than friends. What's wrong with this?
This is way out of control
Woo,
today.
3 ball. It ain't my fault that I'm running, getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on my juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. I'm the burden in the proof. Gotta blame it on my juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on the juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. Gotta blame it on putting in a proof. Blame it on my juice.
Oh. You know what's Shakira's favorite city? It's in Portugal, it's called Lolé. You'll see it in a second.
A joke that only Portuguese people find funny, I swear.
There's a city called Lolé. That's what Shakira sings. Lolé, Lolé, Lolé. Wait, let me have a bit of more of this juice.
Lucky you upon that faraway soul that we can both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love a foreign land for the lucky fact of your existence. Baby, you're climb the ending slowly to count the freckles on your body. Never could imagine there were only too many ways to love somebody. Lolé, lolé, lolé. Lolé, lolé, lolé. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's I do, my dear. They're over here and there. No wonder we can always play by ear. And that's I do, my dear. Lucky that my lips not only mumble, smell kisses like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with mountains. Lucky I have strong legs like my mother, to roof cover when I need it. I'm used to eyes of fun, no other. The day you leave, they'll cry a river.
Lolé, lolé, lolé. Lolé, lolé, lolé.
Sabes que estoy a tus pies.
Lolé, lolé, lolé.
Sorry, I lost my mind. I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, my dear. They're over here and there. You'll never have to wonder. We can always be here. And that's it, my dear. Can't you see?
What's that one?
I'm at your feet.
Oh,
Ah. Le-lo-lo-le-lo-le. Think out loud.
Say it again.
Le-lo-lo-le-lo-le-lo-le.
Tell me one more time
That you'll live
lost in my eyes.
whenever, wherever we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, dear, my dear. They're over here under. You got me head over heels. There's nothing left to seal. If you really feel the way I feel, whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, dear, my dear. They're over here under. You got me head over heels. There's nothing left to feel. If you really feel the way I feel.
You don't have that one? I think it was
Oh my god,
French.
oh my god. Really quickly and quietly. Maita.
Oh, Maita. Really?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maita.
Sorry, you're also doing that.
Happy birthday to Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de glorie, in de glorie, in de glorie.
No santo porta. What is it? Okay, sorry.
Aqui no lugar de Porto Covo.
When I am down, and next week we'll do this song, because that's a really good transition, and I'm so sad I can't play it now. When I am down,
We also have to do
I am burden me.
No.
No.
What, bruv?
the one I told you that this sounded like this song, and then I found it. And
Havia passageiro na ilha. A você vai falar assim.
Those are like the only words I know.
thank you very much. See you next week.
Thank you all for joining. The most important thing for the algorithm, which we're going to try this week, is if all of you, I'm going to put a comment underneath, and if you guys come back tomorrow and copy
Or-
that comment,
Or right after the video ends.
yeah, right, stay after the video ends, refresh the page, and there'll be a comment there. Copy that comment and paste it. And I want to try to get 100 comments. So if you, it would really help us out if you could say to, just send it to like 5 different people and say, just copy and paste a comment. Honestly, I just want to see how it affects the algorithm. So you'd be doing us a great favor. Remember to like the video. Remember to click subscribe. To remember to tell all of your friends. My lovely papa will do the. It sounds so weird saying. My dad. Okay, Lamar. My dad does the set list tomorrow. So there'll be a set list tomorrow. Make sure you send at least one song to one of your friends when the set list is up, and then they'll have a direct link to the song. We had a lot of fun this. Oh, and PayPal and Petcha Off. There's a lot of puli that is being. There's a
Lucinda, expect the unexpected in these concerts.
Dadone.
Lucinda Dunne. If we knew any Italian people, they would be amazed calling Lucinda Dunne to a British girl. I mean.
Exactly. I mean, how many British girls do you know called Lucinda with the hand as well?
And
I'm not sure.
Dunne,
I'm not
a
sure.
double N.
I'm not sure how they wrote the hand movement on the birth certificate. That's interesting.
They did a.
There's a little like emoji underneath it, you know, like they had to like draw the hand thing.
That and emoji.
They have that now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, I sound like I'm 90. Oh, they have internet now. Oh, I haven't liked the video.
much
Oh no, wait, I need to down like it. Guys, none of you down liked it.
Oh my
I'm
god,
so
now you
sad.
sound like Wiz.
Which?
I don't like
Ah,
this song.
now there's 2 down likes.
That's Wiz. That's probably Wiz.
Oh, that's fantastic. Guys, thank you. Remember, PayPal links and Petch Off links underneath. What I wanted to say was... oh, Lucinda. If everybody who watched this concert paid 10 euros a month, which sounds like a lot, but
Man,
is
that's nothing.
1 coffee per week for Joaquinho and I to do these concerts.
No, that's 1 coffee in the Netherlands.
Okay, yeah, but you can say it in Portuguese in a second.
Oh,
If
okay.
everybody gave us €2.50 for these concerts, or bought us a coffee or a cup of tea, I'm British, so you know I need my tea, then we would be able to do really very much. very cool stuff in these concerts and not be stressed. So make sure you do check out the PayPal underneath and make sure you check out the pitch off. Otherwise, otherwise, thank you guys for joining. It was really nice doing this concert tonight. Lucinda, you don't need to down-like it, but just any
Just for the
interaction
fun.
is good for the algorithm.
It's just for the fun.
And Lynn, it was lovely. Yeah, it was lovely to have you with us. It's always a very sad day whenever Lynn isn't there with her Lynn and tonic. Oh, you need to let us know what drink you're on tonight. So we will 8 o'clock. That's 9 o'clock here. If you have any requests for next week, you'll follow English. If you have any if you have any requests for next week, let us know. And do you want to say in Portuguese what I just said? Olá, eu sou o Joãozinho.
Olá, especulação. João.
Olá, eu sou o João e eu falo assim quando não há gente no room. Habitação.
Sala.
Sala. Você é uma sala.
Olá. Por favor, subscrevam esse vídeo e doem todo o vosso dinheiro para nós podermos sobreviver. Porque nós temos que pagar a nossa renda e pagar a nossa comida.
Estamos na Holanda e é muito custoso.
Comida é muito cara na Holanda. Parece que não é bem de primeira necessidade.
And about the... Sorry. Rest in peace, headphone users.
Oh my god.
And about the coffee thing.
Se você...
You can say it in a normal voice. Huh?
Oh, okay.
Você há permisso de falar normalmente.
Thank you very much. Podem nos doar 10 euros por mês, que dá
Solamente diz.
Somente.
Somente diz.
Que é sensivelmente 2,5 euros por semana, que é sensivelmente 4 cafés por semana. Por isso,
No Portugal.
em Portugal, 4 cafés por semana é, por exemplo,
Por
bebem
fazer
café.
tu isso.
Bebem café segunda-feira, quarta-feira. Não, bebem café segunda, quinta e domingo, por exemplo. E os outros 4
Lots of love,
cafés.
mum.
E os outros 4 cafés dão-nos para nós. Para nós podermos beber um café. Não, para nós podermos pagar a nossa renda.
Por favor. And then we'll play
Obrigado.
the Portuguese national anthem next month.
Yeah.
Next week. Oh, next month.
That's also next month. Oh, today's concert 47.
We have 5. I'm really bad at maths. 6 till a year. Once. I'm gay. I don't have to do maths. It's fine.
What?
That's how it works. That's the when you get your gay card, it says Benjamin
your
is
gay card.
exempt from ever having to do anything with numbers.
Even if it's 1
That's
plus 1.
that's why there are no gay people that do stocks.
Uh-huh.
Have
Are
you not seen all
sure?
the memes on Best of Grindr
In-
recently? That
in-
all of them are like stocks.
In all the world, like in all this plain world.
Alan Turing doesn't count. I mean, he does. He did a lot. If you don't know Alan Turing, go check him out.
Oh, now you want him to your side.
Well, yeah, of course he did good. He ended the war.
But he did maths.
I mean, but he did math, so we
So-
can't accept him for that. But you know, not everyone's perfect.
I mean, yeah. So he's less gay than the regular.
Exactly. He doesn't really count, but we'll he stopped the war, so we'll let him.
Just because of that.
Exactly. If otherwise,
Completely.
if he does
excluded.
maths, nah, sorry, bruv. You got to revoke your gay card.
So
I kept mine by doing Shakira and Lizzo this evening. Now I
all the-
can keep it for like another month. My subscription won't run out. It's not many people know this, but being gay, you have to subscribe and pay like a
That's how it
fee.
goes.
Yeah, that's. Oh, everything's capitalized in the Netherlands. It's only here. In the rest of the world, you don't have to pay, but here you do. So, João. Oh God, I'm
I
turning
mean,
into a
here
Dutch
we
person.
have to pay for everything, even for my straightness. I have to.
But you get a discount because it's so awful being straight. We're so
Like,
sorry, João. Just
I have to
€2 a month.
At least once a day, I have to make a sexist commentary on a woman, to be able to keep my straight card.
Your hetero card.
Yeah, that's the way it goes. Woman, go do your dishes right now.
And then he's allowed to be
then I
straight
work.
for another day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it works.
It's a hard. Yeah, we have a pretty hard time here. Yeah.
Your family is going to be like,
the
what?
It's a good
Okay, so now you have to say all of that in, in Portuguese.
Então é assim. Para sermos hetero na Holanda, temos que fazer um comentário sexista todos os dias para podermos continuar com o nosso cartão válido.
É certo, eu posso verificar?
Yeah.
Eu verifico isso. É muito triste. Todo acá no, em Holanda,
Tudo.
dinheiro. Somente dinheiro.
Can you please let us know in the comments how it is in your country?
Yeah, that's good. Because actually, when I want to travel a bit, so I need to know what the rates will be. I don't want to have to be straight while I travel.
Do you need
Ugh.
a visa for your gay card, for your straight card?
Like a passport and then your permit to be a homosexual.
Unfortunately, that's how it works in some countries.
Well, you don't get a permit, bro.
No,
you,
I mean,
you don't
no,
get
you
in
don't
the
get the
country.
permit, but you just simply can't get in.
Or
I
you
mean,
can, but
for
then you don't get out. I
For
guess.
straight people, that's what I mean. For
Yeah.
gay people, it's usually okay.
Hitter always jokes because this one time I was walking through The Hague holding hands with my ex, and this one guy.
Why
shouts
were you
out-
holding hands with your ex? What's
And
the
this
point?
one time this guy
Wasn't
goes,
he your ex?
isso é muito curioso.
Oh my god. Engraçado.
Engraçado. It's very fattening.
Engraçado. Very fattening.
In Spanish, engraçado is like. Anyway, what were we saying?
Sorry for that.
Oh yeah, no. So
yeah,
I was
you
walking,
and your
I walked past this basketball court holding the hand of my ex at the time, and this one guy goes, "Ga terug naar je eigen land, homo," which is like, "Go back to your own country, you gay." And now Hiddo, of course, thinks that's the funniest thing, and is like, "Haha, like there's a country full of gay people." But also the fact that somebody would say that,
I mean,
like racism and homophobia rolled into one. Yeah,
I'm not sure that's how it
it's
works.
awesome being me.
I mean, that works for racism, not for homophobic.
No, well,
Sending them back to their country.
yeah. I mean, maybe there's a land like I'm not gonna say that on YouTube.
Gayland.
But yeah, that's a PG version. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. The
Oh, my
D-land.
parents are watching
You
this.
mean
Sorry,
the-
mum. Sorry, dad.
you
I
mean
hope you
the
guys are
D-land?
proud of what I've become and everything.
Is it the D-land?
Oh no, really good. No, D-land is fine. Like D-I-E, like spelled like the Dutch.
Dylan.
And then D-land.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
in Dutch.
Dutch.
So then that doesn't mean anything, of course. So when my nephews watch this, they don't know what is
Yeah.
going on.
Exactly. We're speaking Dutch now.
We're literally saints.
I can't keep a straight face to that.
8 people are still watching. Hi, everybody.
Oh,
I'm
poor
glad you guys are still watching this. This is very fun.
Poor you.
Oh, Lynn's on the cider. Lynn, if you're still there, could you send me over some Rattler? Oh, actually, no, don't, because I'll have to pay like €100 import fees now.
At least.
I'm never going to get anything Cornish anymore.
But there's a store, no?
But they don't have pasties and they don't have cider. So I have to have English cider, and it's so offensive. I have to have English cider. Pity me. Now because of Brexit, nobody can send me Cornish cider.
It's like Brazilians would only be able to get Portuguese stuff.
I mean, God forbid. If I could only get Portuguese stuff. No. I'm lying. Okay, that's a joke that I would say to you. It's a good thing your family doesn't really speak English. Isso era uma broma. Foi? Era.
Okay. Huh?
Isso era broma. Joke.
Que é broma? Piada.
Piedra.
Piada.
Piada. Like, okay, laugh. Yeah. 8 people are still watching. Havia passageiro. We should definitely do more bossa nova stuff. I really love bossa nova.
And I can train on my chromatic cowbell.
Like that, it's still like this, like vertically laid out, like not like a piano, but like upwards.
It's like a lyre. Do you have lyre? Like on
Oh,
marching with
Lucinda, you're still listening. So cute. I can send you a video of me drinking. Please, that would
Please,
be so.
Lucin,
Maybe you could do that
Dadune.
for the next postcard concert. It could be like a modern art piece.
Wait,
You can just put the camera there. Put the camera there and just drink Cornish cider instead of doing any music. And just be like, yeah, this is performance art. We'd send you a video.
for today.
Yeah. Oh.
No,
Yeah,
we could do the same thing. but
Lucindinha.
Don't tell them.
We will talk
No,
to you.
yeah, we
Can you rustig aan,
don't,
please?
just don't tell the people.
This guy. I have to live with this. And I'm very lucky.
sorry.
And I'm very lucky to be able to live with it.
Okay. Excuse you. I mean, I can put you on the street if that's your problem.
I have a key. I will get back
That's
in, bro.
officially my apartment.
Oh, it's true. Joel's
Bam.
yeah.
I mean,
What was it? What did he said? Gaston. Joel's leasing me. Don't translate that for your parents.
exactly, Lucinda.
Oh, my parents are still watching.
No songs, just drinking cider.
Yeah.
Benjamin will
Dude, careful.
contact you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I, yeah.
Just text her. Lucinda Dunne. Check the double.
Die. Is it that's,
Dunne.
that's Italian, right? Die. Or is it vi? Both, maybe. Yeah. Oh, 3 messages.
I know nothing about Italian.
Oh. Oh, sorry, I'm Facebooking. What was I? Oh, I was supposed to be messaging Lucindinha. Lucindina.
What? Lucindina.
Yeah, I always get confused between
Double N? Lucindina.
Lucini. Yeah, no.
Whoa. Why you tap so fast?
Because I can touch type.
Can
Have you
touch-
not seen? I can 100 words a minute.
Good for you.
Your family. When I was at Marta's house and Maria was there. And Maria watched me type, and she was just like, "Oh my god, he's not listening." It was very
Oh my
interesting.
god. And she was like, oh my god.
Eu não falo assim.
Oh, sorry, we can't play. That's a good thing I put this here today.
Avião passageiro na ilha, falando. Lots of love, Lynn. Thank you for joining us. Nozda, good night. And have a... Oh, yeah, I haven't told everyone to have a good week. Now there's only 6 people here. That's like my dad on 5 different...
Yes, Roger.
on
watching
the phone, the iPad, the TV, the laptop, like the car radio.
the car radio.
Yeah, he drains the battery every Friday just to make sure we have an extra view. I haven't had the heart to tell him it doesn't count because it's all from one internet.
Oh man.
I don't know. Would my parents
I'm
both
not
watching
sure
it count
how
as
that
1 or 2? I think it would just be 1 because it counts IP addresses, right? I think.
Different.
Oh, they have different IP addresses. I'm gay.
Different
I don't have to do that. See numbers.
This is not numbers.
It is.
Different equipments. have
How do you
different IP
describe
addresses.
an IP address? It's like 2, 4 numbers.
Except if it's IPv6.
Okay, that has a
Then
number in it.
It
It's
has
V6,
numbers.
so then it doesn't count.
It has numbers and letters.
I can just be pretty and make music.
I mean, you can make music.
Oh, girl. Rude. I am very handsome.
Maybe it's enough.
Oh,
for
that's
today,
probably
right?
enough for today. Thank you for the diehard, hardcore fans. There's
What?
still 4 people
Where's
watching.
Die Hard? Oh.
Are you alright?
No, I'm like John. What's his name?
John Bucker.
No. Oh, bro. what? No.
Watching that. Oh, she's already.
Help me. Help me.
Eu não posso te ajudar.
Bruce Willis. John. Oh, What's his name on
Oh,
Die Hard?
straight people. I don't know. Why would I know?
I mean,
I just like playing the stereotype.
he's a guy, so
Yeah, but a straight guy in like straight films with like girls with no clothes on.
no.
Yeah.
Actually, that's not. No, not on Die Hard.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Sorry, now I need to know his name.
Bruce Willis.
I know that name.
Helpful.
John McClane. How could I forget this? Yippee mother beep.
This is
What?
such a strange film.
But I mean, it's guys with tank tops. You
And
should like
guns. And not those kind of guns.
I mean, a guy in a tank top crawling through tight spaces. How is not a turn on for you? For gay people.
My parents.
Oh.
Okay, Dewey. Good night. Stay safe. Have a good week.
Sorry.
Bye.
Okay, I'm turning this off now. Bye bye.
That was very fun. That was really cool.